Hello guys. So this is an update on yesterday's video where I posted this trading idea. So market did push up and did break the top, but after it broke it came back down, and we clearly see that. Look at the volume, right? Non-existent, divergence. There was nothing to really push the market further up, but it was a great trade. You see that I was looking at the trade around here, came down, it holded VWAP and started going right up and came up. So there was a lot of opportunity, right? And a lot of profit to be made. And looking at it, clearly see that we came up and notice the volume. Literally, it broke the top on no volume and no volume at all. So this was a clear signal, like indicating that this trade will probably not go further. So you have to be aware of the trading conditions, of the environment when you trade. Also, look at this, right? How messy and how slowly it was pushing up. This is also a clue that, okay, market environment right now is very slow. It is moving in a corrective fashion. So you have to have these, you have to take these things and have them in the back of your mind, knowing that there is a probability that this trade might not go. Because when you are here, when the price was up here, instead of just thinking like, you know, oh yes, we have a contracting flat, we're breaking above this level, we're gonna go, right? You can't be super biased and just think or hope or any other reason that, you know, it's just gonna go. You have to be real. Like, you have to be objective. You have to look at the data. You have to look at what the market, what the price action is telling you. And look at this break. Volume is insanely low. Let's take a look at ATR, is the volatility measure. It's also like just doing nothing. It's actually coming down already. So be aware of the trading environment, be aware of the trading conditions, and to conclude, it was a really good trade. If you're taking it from here where it bounced off VWAP, you know, always take some profit off when you see the trade, especially if you see trade break tops like this on low volume. Then you have to take at least 50% of the trade off, and then you can leave the rest in break even, because there is a possibility that, of course, the trade could have done maybe something like this and then exploded, and then we would have seen a surge in volume. But that scenario did not happen, which is why learn to take profit. Okay, so that's it for today. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.